I'm Hannah with Neat Method. I'm so excited to walk you through how I organized my new laundry room in partnership with Swash laundry detergent. Come take a look.
This video is sponsored by Swash and their parent company, Whirlpool Corporation. However, the content and opinions expressed here are my own. Without question, my laundry room's main function is tackling piles of laundry that my 3 children accumulate every day. Along with my new system for organizing the space, Swash has made the process so much faster and easier. The first step when you begin to organize is to take everything out of your space. Once you have it all out in the open, you can begin to go through and edit your items and determine which to part with or keep. This is the perfect time to wipe down all your shelves and drawers as well. One of my favorite parts of Swash is its precision pour cap, which dispenses the detergent for you. It's easy to overpour and spill detergent when you're in a hurry. With Swash's design, you only pour what you need, which prevents overpouring, detergent waste, and buildup on our clothing.
My favorite part about the cap is that I just squeeze once for regular size loads and twice for larger loads.
Next, you can begin to sort items into categories, so you have similar things grouped together. Once you have your categories laid out, it's time to determine the most functional spots for each and create zones. Create your zones based on how often you need to access the items. Things you use less frequently could be tucked away, and things you access regularly should go in your prime real estate areas, which are those that are easiest to reach. In this space, my primary real estate is the cabinet directly above my washing machine. Since we're in full summertime mode, our swim gear is near the door for easy access, and my gift wrap section is farthest away from the door. Once you have your zones identified, it's time to implement organizing products for your categories to keep everything neatly in place. Be sure to measure your space before purchasing anything, so you know what size and how many you actually need. Decanting is one of our favorite tricks. Simply remove items like clothespins and dryer balls from original packaging and place them in canisters. Baskets and bins help corral similar items and allow you to easily pull them on and off shelves. Turntables are another great way to quickly access items that you want to keep grouped together. We are also huge fans of adding labels to organizing products, so all members of your household know exactly where everything belongs. Don't forget Swash. It takes up a lot less space than traditional bulky detergent bottles that I used to have in my laundry room, and it's 8 times concentrated, so you can get 83 regular loads out of each bottle. The sleek design works great with Neat's philosophy of creating a functional and beautiful space. Not only do these neat organizing products elevate the look of my laundry room, but they also save space and allow me to see what I have. Saving space is a key component to creating a well-organized room. I like to keep things simple and only have on hand what I need, which is why Swash detergent is so great. It's effective for fighting my kids' tough stains and smells amazing.
Try out Swash and see for yourself. My family's favorite scent is the classic and clean Swash Pure Linen. Use promo code NEAT1 for $1 off a bottle on Amazon. For promo details, please visit swash.com/promo-details.